Hi, it's Glenda, and today I'm opening a box from Aztec Candle. So I bought 5 samples of fragrances, and I thought I'll open them and let you know what I thought of them. Let's see, we have 2 sweet ones, a citrus, and 2, I don't know what category they go in. The first one of the sweets is blueberry, and it smells sweet, berry type. I don't know that I like blueberries, but I don't know. I know the taste of blueberries, but I don't know the smell of them necessarily. I like it. It's good, but I don't know if it's a blueberry. Just because I don't know what blueberries really smell like. Hold on. So I went and got some blueberries, and they smell like fridge. But when you try them, that's good. I'll say I think this smells more like Concord grapes. If you ever tried those, that's what it reminds me of. Then we have eggnog, which is a drink around Christmas time. And this smells very good. It smells almost just like that, like eggnog. So I'll be making a soap with this. Then we have lemon crazy, which almost smells like lemon essential oil. Hold on. So I have here some lemon essential oil. I'm gonna compare them. Okay. They do smell similar. It's almost like the smell of lemon zest. It has that sharp note. So hopefully it lasts in soap. A lot of lemons don't. Next we have, this is hot butter popcorn. So the first thing that I smell, it's a little bit of caramel, but after that I get notes of butter, and it does smell like popcorn. It has butter. So when my husband smelled that one, he said, "Why do you have to get stuff that smells like food?" I think because it makes him hungry. And then this one is called Drops of Rain, and I like it a lot. It smells almost like something that would be good to have as a room deodorizer or for laundry, but it's a clean scent. Anyway, that's it. Thank you. Bye.